हेलो स्टूडेंट। सो गुड मॉर्निंग, वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। और आज हम कोई सब्जेक्ट टॉपिक की बात नहीं करने वाले। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट आवर कैरियर। सो हाउ कैन वी सेलेक्ट द करियर? इस बेटा, यू नो व्हाट इज आवर प्रॉब्लम? यस, कि व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू द मार्केट, कि अगर हम एक छोटी चीज़ भी हमें सेलेक्ट करनी है, जस्ट लाइक कि अगर हमें एक टी शर्ट भी खरीदनी है, सो हम 10 दुकानों पे पता कर आएंगे। ऐसा है या नहीं है? But when we are going to select our career option, when we are going to select our side, then we have to follow, yeah, we are going to follow the friends. कि दोस्त ने क्या किया, दोस्त ने मेडिकल लिए तो मैं भी मेडिकल लूंगा, दोस्त ने नॉन मेडिकल लिए तो मैं भी नॉन मेडिकल लूंगा। यस और नो? ओके, तो चलिए हमने दोस्तों को देखकर, अपने फ्रेंड्स को देखकर जो भी चीज़ें डिसाइड कर ली, दैट इज डिफरेंट थिंग, चाहे हमने मेडिकल लिया नॉन मेडिकल लिया। ओके, और बट हमने मेडिकल नॉन मेडिकल से कर तो लिया। Now we are not willing to the BTech or any medical course. So what we can do? So today I am going to tell you top 10 trending fields. Okay, and some of the top trending colleges from where you can go for such type of courses. So you can select according to your desire, according to your hidden qualities. Yes. So let's start. चलिए बेटा, अगर हम अपने फर्स्ट ऑप्शन की बात करें, दैट इज आवर डिफेंस। कि इफ यू वांट टू सर्व द नेशन, इफ यू आर रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट द चैलेंजेस, देन डिफेंस विल बी बेटर ऑप्शन फॉर यू। दैट मीन्स कि नाउ व्हाट आर द अपॉर्चुनिटीज, कि डिफेंस में आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्या है। इट डिपेंड ऑन विच पर्टिकुलर डिफेंस फोर्स यू एंटर, कि आप पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप किस टाइप की डिफेंस फोर्स में एंट्री कर रहे हैं। दैट मीन्स इंडियन आर्मी ऑफर्स द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वर्क इन डिफरेंट एरियाज। दैट मीन्स इफ यू क्वालिफाई द एग्जाम, then you can select the different area such as air force, air defense. You can select combat unit, you can do engineering, IT unit, army service corps, education. So there are different fields inside the defense. Okay, and what are the top colleges where you can do for defense? You can do any course for defense. Actually there is no college for defense directly there is no college. You have to give the exam of NDA, and after qualifying the exam you can do that, you can join the NDA, and on your rank it depend कि which type of that area you will select. Understand? So this is our first option. Second option की बात करते हैं कि if you love computer and don't want to do the BTech, yes, you are not willing to do the BTech, but you love computers, you love language, you love decoding, decoding, you know, software concept. So computer and IT, this will be your this field will be better for you. That means what are the opportunities? You can act as a software developer, network administrator, technical writer, system analyst, web designer, app developer. And which are the top colleges where you can take the admissions? These are the top. I'm telling some 5 or 6 top colleges. There are so many other colleges also you can take the admission. Directly you can take the first one is Christ University Bangalore, second one is our St. Xavier College Mumbai, St. Xavier College Kolkata, SRM University Chennai. Okay, next one is Symbiosis University Pune, and sixth one is Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University Delhi. So I'm telling you 4 or 5 6 top colleges. There are so many other colleges also where you can do these things. You can directly go in the field of computer and IT. That means this is other than चलिए थर्ड ऑप्शन पे चलते हैं कि in the present scenario architecture is one of the marvelous field. If you have the keen observation, you are the thinking skills, so this will be the right option for you. Third one is architecture. So in this field what you can do, in this field you can choose number of options like urban planning, urban design, sustainable architecture, industrial design, and so many other fields. And what are the top colleges where you can do these courses for architecture? IIT Roorkee, Sir J.J. College of Architecture, IIT Kharagpur, NIT Tiruchirappalli, yes, School of Planning and Architecture in Delhi, NIT Calicut. That means I am telling 5 or 6. There are so many other colleges, but this third one is our best trending field in the present scenario. So our next field, that is ethical hacking, which is a new trending field, and it is very popular for the students because due to the advancement in technology. That means कि now in the present scenario all the organizations want to save their data. Okay, and that means all organizations they want they are really concerned about their security. So all the bigger organizations they hires the ethical hackers, yes, for the to save their data. That means as a ethical hacker what you can do, as a ethical hacker you can work as a network security engineer, network security administrator, penetration tester, security consultant, etc. Yes, and what are the top colleges? Yes, there is no degree college, that means there is no degree course on that course on this field, ethical hacking, but there are so many certificate courses. That means Indian School of Ethical Hacking, Kolkata, you can do the certificate course. EC Council, that means that is online. Okay, Ankit Fadia certified ethical hacker, multiple locations are there. NIIT ethical hacking, multiple locations है, यहाँ पर भी आप बहुत सारी जगह से कर सकते हैं. Arizona Infotech, पुणे, तो यहाँ से आप ethical hacking का कोर्स कर सकते हैं. That means most trending field in the present scenario. नेक्स्ट स्टेप की बात करते हैं, दैट इज फिफ्थ आवर फील्ड, दैट इज फोरेंसिक साइंस. यस, दैट मीन्स इट इज अ रिलेटिवली न्यू फील्ड इन इंडिया. फोरेंसिक साइंटिस्ट साइंटिफिकली कलेक्ट द डाटा, ओके, document it, analyze it. Yes, forensic science is an applied field and utilize knowledge from different field of science like chemistry, physics, okay, biology, computer science and anthropology. Okay, so what you can do in this field? In this field you can work as a forensic scientist, as a forensic toxicologist, forensic anthropologist, forensic ballistic expert, polygraph examiner, digital forensic expert. So that means there are so many other options also. Okay, and what are the top colleges where you can do these things? Delhi University, you can do that degree course for forensic science. Gujarat Forensic Science University, Gandhinagar. Punjab University, Chandigarh. University of Madras, Osmania University, Hyderabad, and so many other colleges and universities, institutes are there where you can do the degree in digital cinema. Yes, presently the digital cinema is one of the fast growing field. Yes, because so many online movies are going, web series are there. Okay, that means we can say the resulting demand is for talented and competent professional in the field of animation, graphics, digital filmmaking, VFX, okay, multimedia production, etc. So there are so many other fields. Yes, what are the opportunities in this field? There is vast range of opportunities. In this field you can go for a graphic design, you can go for a game design, digital art, web design, 3D modeling, flash design, storyboarding, cartoon design, VFX, animation. Yes, and where are the top colleges where you can perform the courses? That means National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad, IIT Bombay, Indian Institute of Digital Art and Animation, that is Kolkata, Birla Institute of Technology, Noida, Arena Animation, there are multiple locations. Yes, Maya Academy of Advanced Cinematics, MAS के नाम से जिसे हम जानते हैं, also at multiple locations. Yes, तो नेक्स्ट फील्ड की बात करते हैं. तो सेवंथ फील्ड इज आवर मास कम्युनिकेशन. In this field also lot of job opportunities are there. So you can go in different fields like radio. You can go as a copywriter, program controller, program coordinator, radio jockey, and so many other fields are there. You can go in print media. You can go in electronic media. Yes, as a editing, reporter, photojournalist, content writers. Yes, and which are the top colleges where you can do the courses? That Javier Institute of Communication, Mumbai, Symbiosis University, that is Pune, AZ Kidwai, New Delhi, Department of Communication, Hyderabad. Yes, Social Communication Media Department, Sofia, Mumbai, and Amity School of Communication, Noida. That means, so that is our 7. Next field की बात करते हैं. So our next field is hospitality and tourism. Yes, this is a very unique field. Yes. In this field you can work on the art, in air, on water, that means on cruise. Okay, here you can opt for a chef, retail industries, you can go as for a manager, as a front officer, you can work at airport, you can become a travel operator, and you can also do your own business. Yes. And what are the colleges? You can do the degree from that LPU, Lovely Professional University Fagwada, Apollo Institute of Hospital Management Hyderabad. Third one is AIMS Institute Bangalore, Jamia Millia Islamia New Delhi, Punjab University Patiala. Yes, you can do the course Himachal Pradesh University Simla. Yes, this was our 8th trending field, hospitality and tourism, in which you have lot of options. Work on the earth, in air, on waters. Our 9th trending field, yes, that is performing art. This is a different type of field for those who love music. Yes, in this field what you can do, you can go for music composer, you can do sound editor, music production, you can become a DJ, you can do your own business, you can go for instrumental music, you can go for classical. Yes, and what are the colleges? You can go for that first, that Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, that is Aurangabad, Maharashtra, MSU Vadodara, Gujarat, LPU Jalandhar, Mumbai University, Mumbai. You can go Chandigarh University, Chandigarh, and Savitribai Phule University, Pune. So from there and so many other institutes also you can go for performing arts. That means 9th our most trending field. Okay, तो चलिए हम अपने 10th trending field is aviation. That means a perfect mixture of science, technology and travel. A career in aviation can top your list. As a commercial pilot, aircraft maintenance, as an engineer, you can work with major national and international airlines. Yes. So what are the top colleges? You can go for aviation courses like Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy, that Raebareli, Rajiv Gandhi Academy of Aviation, Kerala, National Flying Training Institute, that is Gondia, Bombay Flying Club, Mumbai, Indian Institute of Aeronautics, Delhi, Indian Institute of Aeronautics, Patna. So these are some top colleges, top institutes in which you can go for aviation. Understand? So what we did today? Today we are discussed the top trending fields. That means you can select the option according to your desire, according to your interest. Yes, I hope आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगी, एंड अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज लाइक जरूर करें. थैंक यू.